Hello and welcome to Financial Literacy, your one-stop destination for all things related to financial education. Today, we will be discussing some of the things you can do today to improve your life. Whether you're looking to improve your finances, health, or relationships, there are several simple steps you can take right now to start seeing positive changes in your life. 1. Set goals. Setting goals is an essential aspect of self-improvement. Goals help you to establish a clear direction in life, which is essential to achieving success and making progress in various areas of your life. Without clear goals, you may find yourself aimlessly wandering without any clear sense of purpose, direction, or motivation. To get started on setting goals, it's important to identify what you want to achieve. It could be something as simple as getting in shape, saving money, or learning a new skill. Once you have identified your goal, it's important to break it down into smaller, more manageable steps that you can work on daily or weekly. For instance, if your goal is to lose weight, start by setting a target weight, then break it down into smaller, achievable goals, such as losing 1 or 2 pounds per week. You can then develop a plan for healthy eating and regular exercise, keeping in mind that consistency is key to achieving your weight loss goals. Similarly, if your goal is to pay off debt, you can start by making a list of all your debts and prioritizing them based on interest rates and amounts owed. Then, develop a plan to pay off each debt, starting with the smallest balance and working your way up to the largest one. When setting goals, it's also important to make sure they are realistic and achievable. While it's important to challenge yourself, setting unrealistic goals can be demotivating and lead to feelings of failure. So, make sure your goals are challenging but achievable, and adjust them as necessary based on your progress. Writing down your goals is also crucial to the process. Putting your goals in writing makes them more concrete and tangible, and serves as a reminder of what you want to achieve. It also helps you track your progress, celebrate your successes, and make adjustments along the way. 2. Exercise. Physical exercise is not just a way to improve your physical health, but it also has a significant impact on your mental well-being. Exercise helps release endorphins, also known as the feel-good hormones, which can boost your mood and reduce stress levels. Regular exercise also improves your sleep quality, which is essential for maintaining good mental health. Apart from mental benefits, exercise also has several physical benefits. Regular physical activity helps strengthen your muscles and bones, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke, and improve your cardiovascular health. It can also help with weight management and boost your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. The best part is that you don't have to engage in intense exercise regimes to enjoy these benefits. Even a 30-minute walk or a short workout routine can make a significant difference in your physical and mental health. The key is to find a physical activity that you enjoy and can stick to regularly. This can be anything from running, cycling, swimming, or even dancing. If you're just starting with exercise, it's essential to take it slow and listen to your body. It's better to start with low-impact activities such as walking or yoga and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This can help prevent injuries and ensure that you stay motivated to continue exercising. 3. Eat healthily. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is one of the most important things you can do to improve your overall health and well-being. It's not just about looking good on the outside, it's also about feeling good on the inside. The food you eat provides your body with the necessary nutrients to function properly, repair itself, and fight off diseases. A healthy diet should include plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect your cells from damage and inflammation, which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables also provides your body with fiber, which helps regulate your digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. In addition to fruits and vegetables, a healthy diet should also include lean proteins such as chicken, fish, eggs, and beans. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and keeping your immune system strong. When choosing protein sources, try to choose lean options that are low in saturated fats and cholesterol. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, are also an important part of a healthy diet. These grains are rich in fiber, which helps regulate your digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods of time. Whole grains are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as B vitamins, iron, and zinc. While it's important to eat healthy foods, it's also important to avoid unhealthy ones. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of alcohol can all have negative effects on your health. Processed foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, which can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Sugary drinks, such as soda and sports drinks, are also high in calories and can contribute to weight gain and tooth decay. Excessive amounts of alcohol can lead to liver damage, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. 4. Save money. Saving money is an essential part of achieving financial stability and independence. It can help you prepare for unexpected expenses, build a comfortable retirement, and even achieve financial freedom. But where do you start? The first step towards saving money is to create a budget and track your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Once you have a clear understanding of your finances, look for ways to reduce your expenses. This might involve cutting back on unnecessary purchases, negotiating bills, or finding ways to earn extra income. For example, you could switch to a cheaper cell phone plan, cancel unused subscriptions, or start a side hustle to earn extra money. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals. One of the most important financial goals is building an emergency fund. This is a savings account that you can use to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Financial experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. This might sound like a lot, but you can start small by setting aside a portion of your income each month and gradually building up your savings over time. In addition to building an emergency fund, saving money can also help you pay off debt. If you have credit card debt, student loans, or other types of debt, paying them off should be a top priority. The longer you carry debt, the more interest you'll pay over time, which can add up to thousands of dollars in extra expenses. By making extra payments towards your debt each month, you can pay it off faster and save money in the long run. 5. Cultivate positive relationships. Cultivating positive relationships is one of the most important things you can do to improve your overall quality of life. Positive relationships with friends, family, and loved ones can help reduce stress, boost happiness, and increase overall well-being. When it comes to cultivating positive relationships, it's essential to spend time with people who support and encourage you. Surround yourself with people who share your values and interests and who will lift you up when you're feeling down. Spending time with people who bring negativity into your life can have the opposite effect, so it's important to be selective about who you spend your time with. If you've lost touch with old friends or family members, reaching out to them can be a great way to reconnect and strengthen those relationships. You might be surprised at how receptive they are to hearing from you and catching up. In addition to spending time with people you already know, it's also important to make new connections. Joining clubs or organizations that align with your interests is a great way to meet new people and form new relationships. Whether it's a book club, a hiking group, or a professional association, finding a community of like-minded individuals can be a fantastic way to expand your social circle and find people who share your values. One thing to keep in mind when cultivating positive relationships is that it's a two-way street. It's important not only to seek out positive relationships but also to be a positive force in other people's lives. Listen actively, offer support and encouragement, and be there for your friends and family when they need you. In conclusion, there are many simple things you can do today to improve your life. By taking small steps each day, you can start seeing positive changes in your life and move towards a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling future. If you enjoyed this video, Please make sure to subscribe to Financial Literacy for more tips and insights on how to improve your financial well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.